Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find clashes between the structural and architectural model using Autodesk Navisworks. And if you are learning BIM coordination or working on a real project, the step-by-step process will help you quickly identify uh, where your structure and architecture elements are colliding or clashes, saving your both time and rework on site. So let's get started. So these are the two files which I've exported from Revit. The one is the architecture and one is a structural file, and in the previous video I've explained about this. So if you want to learn more, I will put the link. You can uh, you can know how to export this file. So let's open this Naviswork file of architecture. So this is my plan. This is the model which I have made in Revit, and this is the architecture one. This is a luxury villa. So there are two methods to take the structural file in the same model. The one is append and one is the merge. I will be using append. This is a structural one. Then click OK. Now the architecture and the structural model are placed on uh, on on top of each other. So in many cases there might be a problem as well as structure and architecture model do not place on each other. So you have to go in a selection tree, select the model, go for unit and transform, and you have to match the unit and transform model for as well as the structure and as well as the architecture. So in this case the rotation in z-axis is 1, and and in the structural as well as in unit and transform the rotation is 1. So the model is same is on the same origin and same rotation. So it's the model is placed on top of each other, so we don't have to worry about that. But we can also check the model. So yes, the model is placed on top of each other, like there is no error. Now we can do the clashes. So in this tutorial I will only be showing how to do the clashes, and in the next tutorial, I will be explaining about the viewpoints, how to manage the clashes in the viewpoints, and there are ways to export the in HTML and any other format. We can learn about that in the next tutorial. So in this tutorial I will be going to explain more about clashes. So this is a clash detective. So this window will be open. You have to add test, choose structure versus architecture or architecture versus structure, select the architecture in section A and select the architecture in section structure in section B. And for the rules, I select items in same file, and in this case for the this is the surfaces. If you have not selected this surface, there will be no clashes, there will be zero clashes. And if you are using like the line geometry or something, if the file is AutoCAD, it will you can choose this line format to do the clashes. And for this type, for the setting, for the clearance, I'm using type for clearance, and tolerance I'm using 2 inch 2 inch tolerance. And okay, so there are total number of 157 clashes. So you can see the clashes. In the next tutorial, I will be explaining about how to resolve the clashes, and explain how to arrange in the viewport. And the final is how to export all the clashes in the HTML format. So thank you for watching, and have a good one. And please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and follow for more content. Thank you.